Hello everyone. Today is Monday 15th of July 24 and I'm going to analyze DAX. Before we dig into charts, let's have a look at what is happening in terms of news. So today our major news is the 1:30 UK time Empire State Manufacturing Index. We're expecting a bit higher than before, so that could be good for currencies and DAX. And we've got the Fed chair is going to be talking at 5 o'clock. So that could actually have a long-term effect in terms of the market. It's also worth mentioning we've got core retail sales coming tomorrow. And also one thing that actually has an effect on DAX is the ZEW economic sentiment for Euro and Germany. So that's also coming 10 o'clock tomorrow. So something that I always bear in mind. You can get these information also on TradingView. If you can put a higher, the most important news. So Fed chair, and also tomorrow the Germany ZEW economic sentiment. We've got retail sales, as I just mentioned. Also we've got the Wednesday, we've got the UK inflation rate, which is very important, and US again 130, building permits and so on. We can talk about these as the days comes in. But today's one, as I said, would be the Empire State Manufacturing Index at 1:30. So let's dig into the daily and the 4 hour. So we're looking at the daily. We can see the price, after price drop and supported this zone, we are now testing this resistance at the daily and the 4 hour. So you can also see it on the 4 hour time frame. So we had this upward trend, but we are now testing that. So if it goes basically below, and if it doesn't break above this zone, we could see prices dropping down. That's what I can see. And we could also see the RSI in the 4 hour is quite oversold. That's another indicator, but I don't use the RSI that often. It's just a general sort of direction in terms of higher time frame. So on the 30 minutes we can see this uptrend. So that has been going on since Wednesday, or even could be even earlier. Tuesday, Wednesday. But after this zone that has been created, you can see that zone is the one that we just mentioned, the 4 hour zone. So we started testing this zone, and it seems like the price is sort of consolidating below it. So if the probability of breaking this zone today might not be that great, but if we break Asian range high, let's just have a look at this quickly. If we break Asian range high, we could see prices testing this highs, that which was created on Friday, and possibly going down or even trying to go higher. But if we break, that's the higher probability. If we break the this is the one that I'm just talking about, idea 2 and 3. If it breaks the Asian range low, I'm expecting these two scenarios hopefully to play out, and the targets would be around about here, which is another. So you're talking about 18,000, about 550, 60. That's the higher probability, but also depends on the news. We could see this playing out after the New York session, or we could see consolidation. But I think the market is waiting for the direction from the Fed to decide at 5 o'clock to see which direction they think in terms of interest rate. So these are the three scenarios that I do have. This is a medium sort of in terms of like probability, medium in probability, and these are more higher probability, especially idea 2. Thank you very much for watching, and please like my video if you find it useful. Thank you, and see you next time.